Life moves fast. Work, responsibilities, endless distractions. But let me ask you something. Are you ready for Ramadan? Because it's coming fast. And if you don't prepare, you might miss out on the biggest opportunity of the year. Ramadan isn't just about fasting. It's a chance to reset your mind, your heart, and even your finances. But here's the problem. Most people don't prepare, and before they know it, the month is over. They tell themselves, next year, I'll do better. But do they? Every year, we set big goals. We want to pray more, read more Quran, give more charity. But what actually happens? The first few days, we feel motivated. Then, reality hits. We oversleep. We feel tired. We waste time. And before we know it, Eid arrives, and we wonder, what happened? The problem isn't that we don't care. The problem is, we don't plan. We think Ramadan will magically fix our habits. But if we don't prepare, we'll fall into the same cycle as last year. The good news? You don't have to let that happen. So how do we prepare? Simple. Follow these 3 powerful steps. 1. Strengthen your connection with Allah. Ramadan is a gift, a chance to get closer to Allah, to wipe away sins, to change our lives. But here's the mistake. Most people wait until day 1 to start. And that's too late. Start today, even if it's small. Read a few verses of Quran every day. Pray extra, even if it's just 2 rak'ahs. Build the habit now, so when Ramadan begins, you're already in the zone. Think of it like an athlete. Would they train on the day of a big match? Number. They start beforehand. That's exactly what you need to do. 2. Manage your time and money wisely. Here's something people don't realize. Ramadan teaches discipline. It's not just about food, it's about self-control in every part of life, including how we use our time and money. Let's talk about time. Be honest. How many hours do we waste on social media, Netflix, or just doing nothing? This time, let's be intentional. Make a Ramadan schedule now. Block out time for prayer, Quran, family, work, and rest. When you have a plan, you stay on track. And money? Oh, this is a big one. Ramadan should be about simplicity, but what happens? We spend more than ever, expensive iftars, unnecessary shopping, it never ends. This year, let's be smart. Plan your meals, cut back on extra spending, and most importantly, give more to charity. The more you give, the more Allah blesses you. 3. Stay healthy and energized. Fasting is meant to make us stronger, not weaker. But if we eat too much unhealthy food, we feel lazy, sleepy, and unmotivated. Let's fix that. Eat light but nutritious. Avoid too much sugar, oil, and processed food. Drink plenty of water at night. And don't just sit all day. Move. Take a walk after iftar, stretch, keep your body active. The stronger you feel, the more energy you'll have for worship. So imagine starting Ramadan fully ready. You already have a routine. You wake up early, pray on time, read Quran daily, and feel strong. Instead of struggling, you feel in control. Think about standing in prayer at night, feeling peaceful and connected to Allah. Picture yourself at the end of Ramadan, feeling proud because you did your best. No regrets, just happiness and blessings. This is possible. But only if you start preparing now. So Ramadan is coming. Are you ready? Don't wait. Start preparing today. If this video helped you, hit subscribe for more life-changing tips. And if you're serious about making this your best Ramadan, drop a comment below.